Hi guys, and welcome to DIY Ideas. And welcome to a summer scarf tutorial in the V pattern. This is a really cute multicolored wool. You can see here what it looks like. It has some like neon parts, but then also some pastel parts. It has some yellows, some greens. It's a really cool wool. I'm going to show you what it looks like in a little later. Maybe you saw this in one of my haul videos recently. It's pretty thin, this scarf, but it is about 180 centimeters long. So you can wear this really nicely in the summer. And how I did this, I'm going to show you now. Have fun! Okay guys, so here we go. This is the really cute wool that I found. This is 50 grams and 115 meters. It's 41% polyamide, 31% virgin wool, 21% polyester, and 7% cotton. It's meant for size 4 crocheting hooks. I have my size 4 crocheting hook here. I'm going to take off the label here, and the color is the number 1. And here is the beginning thread. And so I'm going to do this from the inside out. And I'm going to start here with some chain stitches. It should be a multiple of 2, so just an even number. I'm going to do 14, and then I add 3 for height. And so 14 plus 3 is 17. So I'm going to start with 17 chain stitches. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. All right, and so if you want this a little wider or slimmer, you can obviously take 2 less or 2 more or multiples of that. And yeah, so we did 14 plus 3. So these 3 are for height. I'm gonna go backwards now, count 3, and then skip the 4th and go into the 5th one and do a double crochet here, and then right next to that another double crochet into in the same stitch. So you do 2 double crochets into the same stitch. Then I'm going to skip a stitch and go into this next one and do 2 double crochets here again. Number 1, number 2. With this variation, I don't do any chain stitches in the middle, so I'm just going to skip the one on the bottom and then do 2 double crochets into the next stitch. So between the 2 double crochets on top, I don't do a chain stitch. And then I continue doing 2 double crochets into the same stitch. Here you can see what it's going to look like. You can see the pattern here and what the wool looks like already here as well. Cut. Then we go into the next, not the next actually, we skip one and then into the one after that we do the same thing again. By the way, this wool is really nice to crochet with this size 4 crocheting hook. We skip another one, then we have 3 left. And then obviously don't forget to loop the thread around the hook before you go in, because we're doing double crochets. Then we skip another one, and then another double crochet. And here at the very end, into the last stitch that we have left, I'm actually only going to do 1 double crochet. And that's how the row started, and that's how we end the rows as well. Nice and symmetrical. And here we look at the pattern, and I think it looks really cute. I think the wool looks really cute. So we have these little V's basically here that consist of the double crochets. 4, 5, 6. That's what we have. And so now we start with the next row. So we start with 2, 3 chain stitches. Then we turn it all around, and we're not actually going to go into the stitches, so we go just in between the 2 double crochets of the row before. And so that's between the 2 double crochets that are within the same chain stitch of the row before. And so we just go right in between and do 2 double crochets. Here you can see the first 3 and what it all looks like, and how the V's are kind of, you know, where they grab onto. I'm going to take some more wool here. Okay, so here we are at the end of the row again. And then the last one we're doing is we go into the chain stitches of the row before, the 3, and then do 1 last double crochet. And then we're done with row number 2. I'm going to do a few more rows here, and then I'll give you an update in a little while. But it's basically all the same patterns. We end the rows with 1 double crochet, and we started with 3 chain stitches. And we always have the 2 double crochets together into the same stitch. And that's how we create this pattern. Okay guys, so here's my update. You can see here what the pattern looks like again. It's pretty, pretty tight knit. So we don't have the chain stitch in the middle here. But because we go into the same stitch here, and yeah, I think this looks really, really cute. We have this V structure here that we wanted. And yeah, I think it's really simple and really, really easy to make. And I think you can see the colors here really well. I think they look very cute. Very, very summery, very, very springy. And I think it looks great. And it all kind of wraps around this little thin white gimp thread. And I think it's, just a really cute thin scarf for summer. It's a great length. It's about 150 centimeters. And I'm going to do a little more here, and we'll see it then. I'm going to do 1 last double crochet here for this last little V. And this is the last little V. And so here's the tiny last little bit of wool left over. This is the last little bit we have left. It's about 180 centimeters, this whole scarf, so it's really cute. It's just made from one scarf, from 1 ball of yarn. It's pretty thin, but I think this is great for summer as a cute accessory. And yeah, thank you guys for watching DIY ideas. I hope you liked this video. If you would like to watch more, please visit my channel and subscribe for free. You'll always be the first one to be informed about a new video. Please share this video with your friends, and see you next time.